Well, as I move along, I'm learning new tricks when I'm editing my videos. Now, I found out how you can actually get some of the subscribe and some of the pictures in it and how can you move them around. So that's what I created this video, but before we get into it, we have to hit that intro. Hello, I came to America in 1993 looking for my American dream. After many years of working regular jobs, I realized this is not what I was looking for when I came to America. 2 years ago, I stumbled upon affiliate marketing and creating your online business. How am I gonna start a successful online business doing it part-time, and how I'm gonna apply everything that I learned and show others along the way. This is Carlos. Join me in my journey in Digital Marketpreneur channel. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome yet again to another video. My name is Carlos and this is Digital Marketpreneur, the channel where we talk about affiliate marketing, make money online, and the mindset. If you're brand new to my channel, please subscribe, hit that button that says subscribe right there. Also hit the notification button and the bell notification button so you guys know when I release my videos, when I release them. And if you like this video, give me the thumbs up, share them so I can teach people exactly what I'm learning as we move along. And in this video, I want to show you a new trick that I learned while editing videos. Now, I always seen people, doing different things with their videos, and I was like, well, how can I make those with my own editing software? So, like I said, I've been editing my videos, ever since I started my YouTube channel, and there was always certain things that I wanted to do, but it takes a little while to actually get used to the editing and how to do the thumbnails, and I'm still not where I wanted to be because sometimes you try to do all at once and you get overwhelmed. I noticed certain things that I wanted to do with my videos, and this is Filmora 9, which is the software that I actually use. And as you can see right here, you can actually import your videos once you get in download, or I also use my phone. So it says import from camera or phone, and when I click over there, you're gonna see the drop down and all your files are gonna be showing over here, and then you can just drag it into Filmora and get the video. But for this example, I already have everything uploaded, so I'm gonna download. I'm gonna bring this down to number 1 to match the media. So match the media. Alright, and play. Now this is one of the features that before you used to hit that scissors and then you will see the gap. Now with the new update, this is what you do. You go click the scissors and then you click on the left, delete, and then I'm gonna drag it into this space right here, because sometimes when I read this, I do my little scripts before I release the videos, before I start doing the videos, and then I try to read a little bit of what is the next point. So you always gonna make mistake, guys. It's just the way it is. Once you get to a certain point, it's just second nature, and you're just gonna be flawless, right? So I'm gonna click play, and we're gonna cut right there. I'm gonna bring it back, and we're gonna cut right there, and then as you can see, delete, and it pieced them out beautifully. So social media strikes again. As an entrepreneur, you have to be this. So you see, I made another mistake right there, so I can always cut right over there and try to make it sound flawless. Digital Marketpreneur, the channel where we talk about affiliate marketing. Alright, so this is the newest. As you can see right here, you put them all together, and then we are gonna get to this point where you see the videos, they have the subscribe popping right in front of everything, and I wanted to know how you do that. So I went actually to let's see, titles, and you can do openers, but if we go lower at once, you can drag one. I'm gonna drag this one right here. And then what you can do is you actually double click on it, and then you can actually get in here and double click, and you can change this, and you can write something like subscribe to the channel, right? And you can actually, and what I like about this is like it's an old drag and drop. So if you want to appear right in the middle of it, you're just gonna drag and drop, and you can actually change this one too. You can put like and share. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome yet to another video. My name is Carlos. This is Digital Marketpreneur, the channel. Now, one thing that I noticed too is you can actually double click on this, and there's motions, right? Naturally, you can click on this one and make a motion for it. So we're gonna click on that again and bring it back. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome yet to another video. My name is Carlos. This is Digital Marketpreneur, the channel. You see how they appear, but you can actually double click on that again, right? You double click on this, you double click on that, and then let's say you want it to appear that way. Then you see how it jumps right in it. So you click OK. Welcome yet to another video. My name is Carlos. This is and you see how it actually pops right in front of it. Well, that's something that you know, there's different motions, so you just play with it and then you make it work. Once you find the one you like, then you double click on this, and as you can see right here on the left hand side, it says save as custom. So you click on that, and then you just put something like subscription. You know which one you're gonna use, then you click OK. And then you gotta go to custom, and then you got all four of them right there. The other thing that I learned is like sometimes when you're actually doing the videos, you see those pictures that pop on the side, or maybe you're talking about a video and you just want to tell them, well, you know what, there was this that I created and that I created. You talk about all the videos that you created. So what you can do is you double click on that, and you can actually make this a lot smaller. It's a drag and drop, right? And then you tell them that you have 2 videos that you created. Now actually you can drag this on the top, double click on that, and then you put them on the side. So let's put that one right there. So I'm gonna play money online. Say, hey, listen, you know, I created 2 videos, and then you go side by side. Boom, they pop right there. But you can actually do pictures, so you can do anything that you want. And as you see, they appear right there. And then you can actually take this one and put it right there. I know, you know, the video is too busy, but just so you know, you can actually drag all those 3. When you open an account in social media, how they appear on the sides, and then you guide people to, you know, your next videos or anything that you do. Or you can drag this, and then this one can appear at this moment, this one can appear at this moment, and that one can appear right over there. So let's make them actually that close to each other, and we're gonna play it one more time. On this video. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome yet to another video. My name is Carlos. This is Digital Marketpreneur, the channel where we talk about affiliate marketing. I like that feature because I didn't realize that you can actually do that. So you okay, pause it, and if you want to put the music, then you can drag it into any of this right there, and then you have the song in the bottom. So you double click that, and you lower the, you know, the music, so that you want to run your business. You might want to drop it just enough. Open an account in social media, and you want to run your business from it. All right, so that's some of the tricks that I learned. Like you can actually just click on this, and then you can just copy it, and then you move forward with the video. And the next spot that you want to create a call to action, all you do is paste it, and appears right there hard, you know, put in the time. This thing happened overnight. So, you know, it's one of the tricks. You can save them, then you can put pictures on it, and you can move things around. So I hope that you guys find value in this video, that these tricks help you if you want to create YouTube videos and you actually want to make them look, to pop a little bit more, make them very interesting and making good, you know, for your audience, and make it and make them fun, you know. Play with it, get to know the software that you're working with, and then you can start creating great videos. So with that being said, I hope that you got a lot of value out of this video, and you moving forward, you'll see my videos with a little bit different things popping around. As I'm learning more, I will create more videos about the new tricks that I learned with Filmora 9. And I'm pretty sure once you know how to use one software to edit videos, then the other ones are basically the same, with maybe a couple things that look differently, but you know, it's just the way it works. You start, and as you move along, you learn new tricks, and then you come and teach them. So with that, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that button. I appreciate every single one of you that has subscribed so far. Thank you very much. And also, give me the thumbs up if you like this video, and hit the notification button so you guys know exactly when I release my videos, when I release them. And if you think this is gonna help someone that actually is editing videos, share my videos. So with that being said, guys, I'll see you in the next one.